Let me drive the boat. Touch the butt. This video is dedicated to safe sex and fucking paychecks, baby. We're going to see the new McLaren Senna today, and this right here is content for all you people that say I don't make videos or upload new content. This is all content. We're going to watch the new McLaren Senna be unveiled. I don't care what you want to say. We're doing it. Follow me on Instagram, because you obviously probably aren't if you don't know what safe sex and fucking paychecks are. Oh. Hold on. Ooh, look. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know what that means, but these stickers are gonna go on sale soon, so make sure you get one. There's my son. Yeah, no big deal. You know, I'm just out here, you know, parked where I belong. No big deal at all. Just got a Lambo, a McLaren, a Porsche, another Ferrari, another McLaren, you know. But, you know, hey, I'm here where I belong, and it's okay. Oh, hey, look, it's Ben. Wait, was that Ben driving that? Oh my God, I wish I could be like Ben when I grow up. Ben, break this car down for me, please.
It's already broken down.
Like, what is it? Tell me
The McLaren
about
570S. Or GT.
GT?
Yeah.
Wow.
See inside, but I was supposed to drive this, but not anymore. Also, I have to.
Jeez. I'm about to sell my Prius. Touch the butt. 3 of these, a whole G-Wagon. Like, look at all this. It doesn't matter, because my Prius could beat any of them. Jeez. 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 A whole Gallardo. Another one. Jeez. A whole Diablo. Wow. A whole R8. Oh my God. Can we talk about this? Yo, Ruben. Oh my God. Who cares about a demon? Look at this. Watch out. Dude. Whoa, look at, golly.
Spots open up over there.
Golly, look at, touch the butt. Wow.
This was a surprise to us. It came to us about a week early, and how fitting for us to start the rally, to start our race or our rally season. This is our first customer delivery for a very special car. We are selected as one of 3 stores in the country to unveil the Senna. And if anyone knows me that has been part of a delivery, I kind of dress according to the color of the car. Hint, hint. So, without further ado,
Is it great?
Okay.
Let me drive the boat.
I'll take it.
Alright, guys.
Look at that stance, baby boy. Look at that stance. Well, let me drive the boat.
So up here, there's a hydraulic, or there's a gear mechanism in here. This acts as an air brake as well.
Oh, really?
So when you step on the brake, this will adjust this active arrow, but when you step on the brake, it'll also flip up.
Okay.
As an air brake, but it'll adjust based on how fast you're going. It'll tilt down for more drag if you're going super fast in a straight line.
Okay.
Everything like that. And
They put a whole iPad in there. Wow.
colors. All of the colors, all the leathers, alcantaras, and carbon fiber.
Wow.
Magenta sorbet. No, that was on the
Wow.
So yeah, so I can upshift and downshift on the same paddle, and vice versa. Upshift and delete.
Wow. Oh my
So yeah, your
God.
machine. I like that better because I can upshift and downshift.
Yeah, let me drive the boat.
Like the Ferraris.
Let me drive the boat. Drive the boat. Send your Ross to the moon.
Give me some.
Well, that's it. It's a wrap. Watched all my college tuition roll away, and I'm still broke. But I shook a man's hand. He was a millionaire, I'm pretty sure, and I felt like I got a couple extra dollars in my bank account. Just out here trying to drive the boat. We're about to go to a meet, and I think I'm gonna, swing my car and blow my rear end up. Got my son over there. He's helping out, and yeah.
We love our line.
The face! Let's see the face! The look of despair! Ruben, go in your
about it. His mom's gonna be pissed tomorrow. Chill out, bro. You know you gotta take your mom to church on Sunday. Yo, what the fuck? Excuse me. Yo, what the fuck? Y'all have got to be safe out here. Y'all have got to be safe. Can we move this? Oh my god. Oh shit. And he hopped out of this bitch. Oh my god. I just met her this year. Tied to and we drove away. Somebody's gonna change her.